This is for people that can't remember the 8 times table. So I'm going over it now. If you know, awesome. You can go on Timetables Rockstars and quickly do the math sheet. But if you can't remember, this is for you. Right, draw a washing line. Draw a wash line. You already know quite a lot of them already. You know, for example, what 1 times 8 is. I know you know what 2 times 8 is. And then I skip to here. 10 times 8 is really easy. 11 times 8 is easy. And 12 times 8, that's the highest one we do. And if you know 10 times 8, you know 5 times 8. Okay, so 1 times 8, easy peasy, lemon squeezy is 8. 2 times 8 is 8 at 8, 16, because you know your doubles fact. Let's jump to 10 times 8. Well, 10 times 8 is 8 times 10, 80. 11 times 8 is the 2 pen trick. Do you remember the 2 pen trick? Just in case you don't, here we go. You do, are they lined up? 2 pen trick, so it's 88, even though one of them is really faint. And 12 times, well, it's the biggest one we do, which is 96. So you guys know all of those already, or hopefully you've remembered them now. It's just the ones in between that are a bit painful. So let's pick them off. I'm going to go for 4 times 8. Now 4 times 8 equals 32. Do you remember we turned it into a great big bouncy castle? And it's a great big puffy bouncy castle, and the 4 times 8 is jumping around and around and around, boing, boing, boing. Okay, so 4 times 8 is 32. We're looking now at 3 times 8, and 3 times 8 was the bow tie, and it's 24. Okay. Let's look at 6 times 8. 6 times 8, turn it into a gate, and what jumps over the gate? 48. Boing, 48, there it goes. Boing, boing. Right. 7 times, let's do 7 times there. 7 times 8 is the musical one, because it's 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're learning to dance, you count in that. So it's 5 times, no, it's not, it's 56, isn't it? So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. We'll do 8 times 8 down here. 8 times 8. He ate and he ate until he couldn't get through the door, because 8 times 8 is 64. And then the last one you just got to remember, which is 9 times. Well, if 10 times is 80, 80 take away 8 is 72. So you've just got to remember that 9 times 8 is 72, because 10 times would be 80. Okay, right, I'm going to have a quick test of those and see if they're in your heads. Ready? If I said to you guys, what's 6 times 8? What jumps over the gate? You'd say, well done, it's 48. If I said to you 9 times 8, well, let's pretend it's 10. 10 times 8 is 80, so 9 times 8 is 72. Well done. If I said to you 4 times 8, 4 times 8 is boing, boing, boinging. What does it boing on? Well done, 32. Next, 8 times 8. Oh, who's been greedy? Who couldn't get through the door? Well done, 8 times 8 is 64. Next one, if I said to you 3 times 8, turn into a bow tie. 3 times 8 is, well done, it's 24. Let's go back to the 11. 11 times 8, the 2 pen trick. Well done, it's 88. Let's go back to 5 times 8. Well, I know what 10 times is, so 5 times must be 40. Well done. Let's just check 7's there again. 7 times 8, it's the musical one. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 times 8 is, well done, 56. Let's go for 12 times 8. 12 times 8 is, it's the biggest one we do. Well done, it's 96. Right, guys, let's do it a different way. Draw a triangle this time, okay? I'm going to put the answer in this time. Oh, it's too high, isn't it? This time you're going to tell me what the calculation is. If I said to you 96 was at the top, what times 8? What times 8 is 96? Yep, well done. It's 12. Okay, awesome. If I said to you the answer is going to be 32, it's the bouncy castle one. What times 8 is 32? Well done, it's 4. 4 times 8 is having a ball on top of 32. Right, ready? If I said to you it was going to be 72, it's the one that's near 80. It's not 10 times, is it? Well done, it's got to be 9 times. Okay, clean it off. Next one, if I said to you 24 was the answer, isn't that the one that tucks in the bow tie? Ah, so it must be 3 times 8. Next, if I said to you, oh my goodness me, could hardly fit through the door because he's 64. What times 8 is 64? Well done, it's 8. Awesome. If I said to you, jumped over the gate, what jumped over the gate? Something times 8. Well done, 6 times 8 jumped over the gate. Let's go for 5, 6. 5, 6, something 8. So what times 8 is 56? Well done, it's 7. We'll go for 16. What times 8 is 16? Well done, it's 2. What times 8 is 80? Well done, it's 10. Have we done them all? Can't remember. I think we have. Okay, so 8 times table. Try and go on now to times table rock stars and see if you can speed up and also have a go at the worksheet.